Hello, in front of me I've got REALME 8i. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Firstly, open Settings, tap on Display and Brightness, and here we've got all settings for our display. At the beginning we can change between light and dark mode, or turn on auto switch. Then we can change brightness level and also turn on auto brightness. Next we can turn on or off eye comfort mode, auto rotate, and we can change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Then we've got screen color temperature between warm, default and cool, screen color mode, vivid and gentle, video color enhancer, and font and display size. In More, you can change screen refresh rate between auto, standard and high, and screen display. From here, you can hide notch for different apps. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.